Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your mailing address in HDFC Bank. Log into your net banking account. Once you have logged into HDFC net banking account, the user interface will look like this. In the top, you can click on this profile details. From the left side menu, you need to click on update address. Now it will show your current address. You need to scroll down and here are the list of documents you need to change the address: passport, driver license, voter card, other job card, or letter issued by National Population Register. If you have any one of these, you can continue with the next step. Click on update. Or here, customer details will be fetched automatically. Now you need to change your mailing address, that is your address for communication. You need to delete the old one and enter the new one and click on continue, and your mailing address has been changed. Now you need to upload the address proof. Click on the drop down box and select the appropriate document. I'm going to select other card, and after that you need to click on this plus icon. You can simply go to the location where you have the Aadhaar and click on open. If you have multiple files, you can simply click on that and you can simply upload the documents. After that you need to click on upload. Now it will show your message address proof uploaded. Now you need to accept the terms and conditions and you need to click on submit. And here you can see the message, thank you for banking with us. The details would be updated within 2 working days. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to update mailing address or change address in HDFC Bank. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.